Today we're gonna work on a hybrid shifter for a B/D series, which is now there. It's a mess there. Sorry, I apologize. That's him. We got the car jacked up. We jacked it up from the radiator support. We're gonna go down there and remove the shift linkage and bring it down. We already removed the 2 bolts that's in there in the rear. Right here, those 2 bolts are already removed last night. We realized that we had to drop down the whole shift linkage. So now we're gonna go down here and drop it down, and we'll keep you posted. All right, now that we're down here, we just popped it off from the main linkage, which is this part. A second, let me show you. It's really dirty down here because he hasn't had a chance to clean this car. So as you see, the main linkage here, this came off of that piece right there. So we took off this bolt that was in here. The last owner put a 14 millimeter in there, so that was the size that we took out. I don't know how it's gonna look like for yours. We took out those 2 bolts from up there, and now we moved it to the side, brought this over because he does have a hefty exhaust and we can't bring it down. So we're gonna work off of here. This is 2 10 millimeters to remove the old one. Washers came out of here, keep that in mind. And yeah, so let's take these 2 off. All right, we got it out, although Pito got hurt. It's a 2-man person job if you haven't touched this in a while. These are the kind of the studs that are in there. What we were experiencing is that when we got it halfway out, it got stuck. So we used the flathead to kind of bring this up with force. He was using a flathead, bringing it up, and I was removing it from the bottom, and that's the way we got it out. Don't open it like that. That's how you be. I'm in pain right now. So we got the new one in. We also got a new energy bushing in. Okay, might as well. We have Pito holding the Allen, and now we're gonna tighten it. All right, good. Next one. All right, and we finished. Pretty simple install, just a lot of hassle. Fix it?
Yeah, nah, I don't know, bro. It feels weird. Because this is...
Okay, the bottom one is to adjust your throw. If you want it shorter, you have to drop it all the way to the bottom. And if you want it longer, you lift it up. Basically, there's 2 hex bolts here that you will loosen, and you can bring it up. So he's just adjusting it to his liking, and we're gonna take it on a test drive and see how it feels. Looking like Fast and the Furious. 20 gears. And there you have it. We finished installing the shifter from Hybrid Racing. It works for both B and D series, just in case you are wondering and you're interested. Hopefully that was helpful. Nothing crazy, but you know, it's working. It's great. It's a little weird for me from a Subaru perspective, but hey, I guess it works for him, and it's awesome. Back to the hatch. We have a small update. Car does not have any spark, so we have determined it's probably the distributor. We changed the rotor and the cap, and still nothing. Next is probably the igniter or the ignition coil, and we're gonna work on that next, or order a new distributor and see what happens. But till then, I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. See you then.